Hello spring, welcome to our garden. Today we'll discuss on the 5 most important gardening tips and tasks to perform just before the onset of spring. Coming up. Before we start, please click on the subscribe as well as the bell button next to it to receive notifications to our updates. Also like, share and comment on my videos to support the channel. Well, spring is the most active and important period for gardening. Plants wake up from their sleeping periods, that is, the dormancy or the inactive period of winter. And applying these 5 steps just before they start their active period really makes a lot of difference and helps them grow and yield better. On number 5, clean up your garden. This should be your first task if you do not do this regularly. You may see a lot of debris like the fallen leaves, twigs, dirt and other garbage. This should be done first because neat and clean garden makes a perfect scene. On number 4, weeds. Early spring weeds can be a nuisance. They can be a real problem and steal your plant's nutrients from the soil. Head out into the yard and start pulling those weeds. Make sure you plug them at the root level so that they don't grow back again. On number 3, fertilizers and soil preparation. Winter season can make your soil hard and compact. You need not repot your plant completely into a new potting mix. Just till the top 1 or 2 inches of the soil carefully without damaging your plant roots. You can either apply fertilizer over this or remove the soil completely if it's too much compact, or if it's just okay, then mix it with compost like decomposed cow dung powder or vermicompost. 1 or 2 handful of it. Mix it with the topsoil and add it back to the plant. Make sure you add 1 handful of this once every 15 days. This is the time growth picks up and fertilizing your plant is really important at this stage. On number 2, pruning. That is trimming or cutting your plant branches. For most summer plants, this is the best time to prune them. Even hard pruning your plants at this time is beneficial. Pruning encourages the plant to grow well and makes them bushy as the plant grows. You can watch a detailed video on how to prune and types of pruning from a video link at top right corner of this video, or from the end screen link, or even from the description link. On number 1, start planting new seeds or even new plants. Depending on the zone you live, you can start seeds like the summer vegetables or flowering plants. We'll make a detailed video on this topic soon. If I missed out any point, please do comment below this video so that everyone is benefited. So there we have it folks. If you like the video, please click a thumbs up and share and comment on this video. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Happy gardening.